Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you exactly how to remove express shipping on SHEIN and help you avoid any extra costs when placing your order. Now, let's get started. Step 1. First, take your phone and open the SHEIN app. Make sure you're already logged into your SHEIN account, so everything runs smoothly and your personal settings are available. Step 2. In the menu, you'll see all the available items listed. Tap on any product to open it, or simply use the search bar at the top to find the one you want. Once you see it, tap on it to open the product details. Step 3. After opening the item, you'll notice various color and size options. Select the color and size you like, then tap the Add to Cart button at the bottom. This will add the item to your shopping cart instantly. Step 4. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the cart icon. Once you're inside your cart, select the product you just added. This is where you'll make changes to your shipping. Tap on the Checkout button at the bottom of the screen to move forward. Step 5. At this stage, make sure you've entered your shipping address correctly. Then, scroll down to the Shipping Methods section. By default, express shipping might be selected, but you need to change that. Choose standard shipping instead of express shipping to avoid paying extra. After that, select your payment method, follow the instructions to place your order, and that's it. You've successfully removed express shipping on SHEIN. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful guides like this.